Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile on the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan Cabstar. So from any screen, it's on sat nav at the moment, so if you click the top button, that's menu. Onto the menu here, and we find telephone. A lot of stuff on here, so we've got telephone there. Click on telephone. Nothing there. You see here no device, but there's a plus there. It's quite a dark screen. I'm just wondering, no, I thought I might have the lights on. I thought it was on night. So there's nothing there, but there's a plus there that you can just see. If you click plus, you've got connect or delete. That's showing Barry's iPhone. That's my iPhone that was connected before. So if I click delete there, forget this device, okay. That's it, gone. That's how you delete a mobile.